Hey everybody, my name is Abingdon and I am going to talk to you about how to change your watch strap size for the summer or the winter months whenever our wrists have a tendency to either constrict or swell. In the summertime, it's very common that we have a little bit of swelling going on in our wrists, and when we have a metal band, sometimes that can feel very constricting. So there's a very simple way that we can change our watch band size for the summer months. And all you need are a few tools that you can find around the house and that you never probably considered that your earring could be a tool. I oftentimes will use an earring or pointy pliers or tweezers, and then one of these guys for the dull blade. Anything that has just a flat edge like this will work perfectly fine. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to have a nice soft cloth that you can place your watch on, because you will be using the cloth and the weight of the watch. You need to have it as kind of like a third hand, so you want to protect the watch. And then I turn the watch on its side, and on the buckle you've got these 6 holes here. And what these are about a half a link size in between each hole, and you can move them in and out on your own using just something very small and pointy. So that's how I'm going to change my watch today for the summer links. I've had it sized now for the winter time, and that's why it's brought in a bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to very easily just take my earring and poke right down into the hole, and I can move that link over to the next hole. I heard a click, so I will turn it over, lay it down on the table, use the weight of the table, and I will poke that down and move it over again. And it clicked right into place. All I've done is I've just moved it out a half a link, and it should be sized so much better for the summer months. And if I need to move it out one more, then it's very simple to do. Let's say you want to move it back. The same thing. I'm going to show you, just poke it in, move it back until it clicks, move over to the other side, flip it around. And let's say that you had a situation where instead of getting it over to the next hole, it came out like so. So I'll just show you what the pin looks like. And you can see it's got 2 pieces on the very end that spring in and out. That's what you're pushing down with your earring. So in order to get it back into your buckle, then all you would do is you would just place it in that last hole, line it up with whatever hole that you wanted to place it in. If it's the third one in, that's where I'm going to place it once I have it clicked. I'm going to take this guy, pull out the flat edge, and I'm going to use it to get it back underneath the buckle. So I've just placed it flat down, and there's the click. I'm going to flip it over. I'll be very careful to hold it, and there's the click. So now it's locked into place. I've got it in on the third, and I'm actually going to move it one more because that's where I want it for the summer. I want it on the second. So as you can see, this is very simple to do. It doesn't take any effort at all, so save yourself the money of going to a jeweler to have them do a fine adjustment. You could just do it right on your own. Thank you very much.